Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show how to create a contact form in WordPress. So at first go to your admin dashboard and we need to install a plugin which is Contact Form 7. Let's search it. Okay, then search Contact Form 7. Okay, now you can see the plugin is already installed. Let's activate it. Okay, refresh the admin dashboard. Okay, click on the contact and add new. Okay, let's create a form. Save it. Okay, here you can see there is option that copy this shortcut and paste it into your post page or text. Okay, I am going to copy this and I will paste it into a page. Okay, contact us. Okay, now I am going to paste it here. Okay, just click on the update. Let's check it on the website. Click on the contact us. Here you can see the contact form is implemented in the contact us page. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.